Hello everybody, welcome back to Channels of Machinery. In the heart of the countryside, a forward-thinking farm stands as a testament to the evolution of pig farming practices. With a commitment to sustainability and animal welfare, this farm has become a pioneer in the realm of organic pig farming. At the core of its operations is the nurturing of thousands of sows, where innovative methods and cutting-edge technologies converge to create a harmonious environment for both the animals and the land. Central to the farm's ethos is the implementation of the Agilo FB system, a revolutionary free access function embedded in both the lactation cage group and the farrowing cage group. This system represents a paradigm shift in the way sows are housed, allowing them unprecedented autonomy. The farrowing cage, typically a space of confinement during the birthing process, becomes a haven of freedom for the sow. With the ability to open and close the cage independently, the sow can choose when to retreat into privacy or enjoy the open space, allowing her to eat and relax without the fear of disturbance. The Agilo FB system is more than just a technological advancement. It is a commitment to fostering a natural and stress-free environment for the sows. By empowering the animals with control over their living space, the farm acknowledges their intelligence and inherent needs, ultimately promoting their overall well-being. This approach not only aligns with ethical considerations but also enhances the quality of the final product, organic pork. Organic farming methods are the cornerstone of this progressive pig farm. From the feed given to the animals to the management of waste, every aspect is meticulously designed to adhere to stringent organic standards. The pigs are raised without the use of synthetic pesticides, antibiotics, or genetically modified organisms. Instead, they thrive on a diet composed of organic grains and forages, ensuring not only the health of the animals but also the nutritional integrity of the meat produced. Beyond the immediate benefits to the pigs, organic farming practices have profound implications for the environment. The farm employs sustainable land management strategies, emphasizing crop rotation, cover cropping, and the use of natural fertilizers. This holistic approach not only maintains soil fertility but also minimizes the environmental impact of the farm, contributing to the preservation of local ecosystems. The farm's commitment to sustainability extends to waste management, where innovative solutions are employed to minimize the ecological footprint. Through the utilization of waste as a resource, the farm practices a circular economy, converting manure into organic fertilizers. This closed-loop system not only reduces the environmental impact of waste but also enhances soil health, creating a harmonious relationship between the farm and the land it occupies. In conclusion, the farm's embrace of organic pig farming practices and the Agilo FB system exemplifies a harmonious coexistence between technological innovation and ethical considerations. By placing the well-being of the sows at the forefront and adhering to organic principles, this farm serves as a beacon for the future of sustainable agriculture. In a world where the demand for ethical and eco-friendly practices is on the rise, this pioneering approach not only ensures the quality of the final product but also paves the way for a more conscientious and sustainable future in pig farming. Welcome to our state-of-the-art pork processing factory, where innovation meets tradition to bring you the highest quality pork products. Our journey begins with precision at the cutting stage, where specialized equipment expertly slices and debones the meat, ensuring optimal cuts for various culinary delights. This step is not just a process, it's a symphony of technology and expertise, setting the foundation for exceptional pork products. As the meat undergoes meticulous processing, our cutting-edge facilities maintain the highest standards of hygiene and safety. Our commitment to quality extends to the packaging stage, where each piece is carefully wrapped to preserve its freshness and flavor. Modern packaging techniques not only enhance shelf life but also reduce environmental impact, aligning with our dedication to sustainability. Once packaged, the products embark on a swift and efficient journey to their final destination, your table. Our streamlined shipping processes ensure that the savory goodness reaches you promptly, maintaining the peak of its succulence. From our cutting-edge processing lines to your plate, every step is a testament to our unwavering commitment to delivering pork perfection. Experience the future of pork processing with us, where technology meets taste, and excellence is served with every bite. Modernizing sausage production. A technological evolution. Sausages, a beloved culinary delight across the globe, have a rich history dating back centuries. While the traditional methods of sausage production have stood the test of time, the advent of modern technology has ushered in a new era for this delectable delicacy. Today, the sausage production process has undergone a transformation, leveraging cutting-edge technologies to enhance efficiency, quality, and safety. One of the key advancements in sausage production is the introduction of automated meat processing systems. These systems use advanced machinery to streamline the butchering and grinding processes, ensuring precision and consistency in the size and texture of the meat. Modern automated lines are equipped with sensors and cameras that detect and remove any undesirable elements, such as bones or cartilage, contributing to a higher quality end product. Advanced mixing and flavoring. Technology has revolutionized the mixing and flavoring stages of sausage production. Automated mixing machines ensure thorough blending of ingredients, guaranteeing a uniform distribution of spices and seasonings throughout the meat mixture. This not only enhances flavor but also eliminates the variability often associated with manual mixing. Additionally, these systems allow producers to experiment with a wide array of flavors, meeting diverse consumer preferences. High-pressure processing has emerged as a game-changer in the preservation of sausages. This modern technique involves subjecting the sausages to high-pressure water, effectively eliminating harmful bacteria and pathogens without compromising the taste or nutritional value. HPP extends the shelf life of sausages, reduces the need for chemical preservatives, and ensures that the final product meets stringent food safety standards. In the realm of packaging, smart technologies have been integrated to enhance freshness and traceability. Vacuum packaging, using state-of-the-art equipment, removes air and seals in the flavor, extending the shelf life of sausages. Furthermore, smart packaging solutions equipped with RFID, radio frequency identification, tags enable producers and consumers to trace the journey of each sausage from production to consumption, ensuring transparency and accountability in the supply chain. Artificial intelligence, AI, has found its way into sausage production through advanced quality control systems. AI-powered cameras and sensors inspect sausages at various stages, identifying any deviations from quality standards. This real-time monitoring allows for swift adjustments in the production process, minimizing waste and ensuring that only top-quality sausages reach the market. Thank you for joining us in exploring the Million Pig Farm, modern pork processing factory, sausage production line and technology. Today's video is over and we can't wait to hear what you think. How did you find this process? Please share your comments with us. If you find the content informative or interesting, Show your appreciation by clicking the like button and sharing it with others. Don't miss out on future updates by subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more insightful videos in the future. Hello and see you in our upcoming content.